Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Bentwood ring using exotic wood veneers, and we're starting right now. What's up guys, I'm Jacob over here at Native Son Wood Art, and like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to make a wooden ring in the bent wood style using exotic wood veneer. I've got some negre, which is an African hardwood, and some eucalyptus, smoked eucalyptus, which I believe is from Australia. And these just have some wonderful wood grain patterns in them. Some low, like they almost shimmer when you put them in the sunlight. They're so beautiful. And pretty much all you need for this is just a razor blade, some CA glue. You'll need two different types. You'll need like the regular, like medium, the thin-ish viscosity, which you can get at most home improvement stores like Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace. They sell this Loctite, which you'll use some of that, but you'll also need some thin CA glue, which is a specialty item you really can't get at those stores. I bought mine online, as I'll explain later on in the video. And you'll need like a socket wrench, some kind of wooden dowel, some kind of rounded object to curl your wood around once you've got it cut down. And that's pretty much it. Some sandpaper, and whatever you want to seal or finish it off with. It's a pretty simple build. I enjoyed it. I learned a lot doing this project, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Now what I'm doing is just dragging the ends of each of these strips of wood to kind of taper them, so that when I roll them, the seams, there's less of a seam when I roll it, so that makes it is a much better finish. So it's all about the small details in your prep work. It determines how well the quality of your work comes out. This negre is giving me a lot of fucking problems. It's not really rolling the way that I want it to. It's cracking. So let's try the smoked eucalyptus and see if that works a little better. Hopefully it does. Tear on me. Nice, smooth finish ring. Alright, yeah, this one seems to be working out okay. Rolling alright. There's some splittish there, but that's okay. Correct. Alright, so the inebriate is out. Yeah, it just didn't soak it long enough. It's brittle, cracking. So we'll just move forward with the smoked eucalyptus. It's fully dried. What I'm going to do is take some of this Loctite, this CA glue, and just put it around the edges, just kind of seal it, hold it in place so that when I take it off the socket, it'll stay together. You don't need a whole lot for this part. Just enough to kind of put it together. Let me get back in camera here. You want to make sure that you roll this pretty tight too, so that you have a nice solid piece. That's pretty good. Okay, I put on the first bit of CA glue. It's a bit thicker, so it's just to hold it together, keep it in place. Now what I'm actually going to do is take some of this, you can see that, some of this thin CA, and this is a specialty item, so you really can't find it in stores. I bought mine off of Amazon, and I'm just going to use that to put around the edges here. And this, because it's in it, it's going to be able to soak into the wood grain a lot easier and make it a much more solid piece. It's going to take a second, like about a minute to dry fully. And I don't recommend doing this on anything that you're not okay with throwing away afterwards. So that's why I have a piece of corrugated plastic and a bit of paper towel. And it's also propped up by the tape that I put onto the socket beforehand, so that also helps a lot. So flip it over to the other side. Let that dry, and then I'll take it off and then we'll get into sanding. To finish this off, I'm just going to use a coat of clear nail polish. You can also use some of that thin CA to finish it off. I just like this a little bit better because it has an applicator and it's not as messy. It also has a really nice glossy finish. Make sure you get the sides. I'm doing this on a piece of cork. I have this ring wedged on. It's really helpful. Like, keep your hands free, and so that the ring, it's also easier to hold on to the ring. It's also a fast drying nail polish, so if you want to, you can put a few coats on, just build it up and get a much better protection. so far I think that's pretty much it. Looks pretty good. There you have it, guys. A Bentwood ring. Made using exotic wood veneer. I like how the smoked eucalyptus came out. It's really pretty. You don't really get much of the shimmer. I think that's because the nail polish that I use, it's already gloss, so it kind of takes away from that. So maybe next time I'll use like more like a mineral oil beeswax finish, just so I preserve some of the natural beauty of it. I'm a little bummed that the indie grade didn't work out. I think that's mostly just because I didn't let it soak in the water long enough, and I didn't get the water hot as it is hot enough to really make it more pliable for the when going around the socket. I think if I do this again, which I definitely will do this again, definitely will try this again, because I'm still got plenty of veneer left. I'm definitely going to try that. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks. Your support, your views, your watch, and your comments also mean a lot to me. And also, speaking of comments, if you tried this before, let me know in the comments down below what woods or techniques that you've used to make these rings. I'm always looking for new ideas. Using the drill is a new idea that I just learned or just thought of. I actually got it inspired from a other YouTube video that I watched. I'll actually link that in the comments below. This guy, he made a solid wood ring, and he also used a drill as kind of like a turn to be able to sand it just the way that I did in the video. So thanks for him for inspiring me and giving me that idea. It's amazing what a wonderful resource YouTube is. And like I said, thank you guys for watching so much. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload my next video, which should be coming out very soon. I got a really special one planned for next one. And take care.